Okay guys, for today's menu, we will make our pork asado siopao. So let's start. So first, we'll put our oil. Then we'll put our onion and garlic. Okay, now our onion and garlic is already cooked. We'll add our pork. We'll saute our pork in about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now our pork is already sauteed. We will add a cup of water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, our star anise, and sugar. So let's stir this for a bit. Then we will wait until it boils. Okay guys, so when our pork asado is already boiling like this, so we will put it in low fire. There. So we will wait for our pork to be tendered. So yung para na siyang nadudurog. Okay, let's cover it again and boil it again. Okay, now when our pork is already tender, okay, so you can see very tender. Okay, so we will take our pork and slice it into pieces. So yung iba gusto nila shredded, pwede rin naman yun. So ako mas gusto ko yung slices into small pieces para pag kinagat mo yung siopao mo, masarap. May buo-buong pork. So kunin lang natin yung pork. Okay, now let's slice it into small pieces. Now our pork asado filling is ready. We will cook it with a little bit of our siopao sauce. Okay, we'll take a portion for our siopao sauce. This one for our pork siopao filling. Okay, now we will add our pork asado again to our sauce. Now let's add our cornstarch. Okay, now our pork asado filling is ready, so we will set it aside. Now we will make our siopao sauce. So we will put back again the remaining sauce that we set aside. Now we will add our cornstarch again to make our sauce a little bit thicker. Okay, now our siopao sauce is very thick. So it's already ready, and let's set it aside. Okay guys, so here's our pork asado filling and our siopao sauce already ready. So we will make our siopao dough. Okay, now guys, we will make our siopao dough. So we have our warm water here, sugar, active dry yeast, salt, olive oil, and flour. You can check description box for the measurements. Alright, let's start our siopao dough. Okay, first step, we will add warm water together with our sugar and active dry yeast. Okay, while waiting for our active dry yeast in about 5 minutes, so we'll start our flour and salt. We will mix it together here. Okay, now our active dry yeast is activated, so we will add olive oil, then we will mix it with our flour. Now we will mix everything together. Here's our siopao dough, so we will form it. Then we will rest it in this container. Now we will rest it for 1 hour. Now our dough is ready here. So let's form our siopao dough now. Now we will cut our siopao dough. Here's our siopao dough, so we will cover the rest while making one by one. So here's the first piece. We will roll it. Ready your wax paper and of course your pork asado filling. Okay guys, so here's our boiling water. Here's our siopao. So let's steam it for about 15 minutes.